Good job. Come on, Riley, get up. Come on, can't you get up? Uh-oh. Daddy keeps falling down. Daddy keeps falling down. Come over here, Daddy. Come on. Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley. Whoa. Come on, Riley. Right? Running, Riley. And I'm so fat. Fat. I'm fat. Feed me. I cried the day Hostess went bankrupt. What was I having my Twinkies? Where's my Twinkies, bitches? Someone best buy that recipe and make me my Twinkies. Cause I'm right. And I'm fat. Yeah. My thighs have a right to protect. Don't call her Twinkie thighs for nothing. Whee! And ready? 1, 2, 3.
Talk about Twinkie thighs. You're making her upset.
Alright, ready? Look, she's getting all excited. Riley, calm down. Focus. Ready? Come on. Ah! You ready? Right here. Stand up. Okay? Come on, Riley. Come on.
Not you, Gus.
Let's go. Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley. Yeah, go, Riley, go.
No.
Hey.
Come here. My name's Gus. And I'm fat.
Not so tough. Bleh. I like to walk around the neighborhood kicking ass and shit. My name's Gus and I'm a thug. Oh, yeah. Babies don't scare me. I'm Gus and I'll eat them babies. I'll eat them babies. They taste like Twinkies.
What is with you and Twinkies?
I don't know. Get that dog. Sick him. Oh. God. Zoo.
Say bye-bye, Riley. Say bye-bye.
Say bye, cousin Sissy Dana. Say bye, cousin Sissy. Okay, can you show her high five? High five. Yep. High five. What up,
Yeah.
girl? Okay, say bye.